Hey girl, long time no vlog, so I am back. Okay, so disregard my chin. You know the drill. Super fun. Love it. If you don't have like volcanic acne on your chin, are you really living? Girlfriend, so this weekend is Midwest Fashion Week. And you heard me. It's basically New York City Fashion Week, only on a smaller scale in the Midwest. Because the Midwest still has fashion, Brenda, and we still live it up. Like, clearly, we know a thing or two about fashion. So I am going to an event tonight, and I'm going to the fashion show tomorrow, and then I have another fashion show the next day. Not quite sure if I'll make it there. We shall see. Tonight, there's an event at Leslie Jane Boutique, which is a super duper, like, nice, kind of a high-class, European-inspired boutique in Zionsville, which is about an hour away from my house, so true dedication, girlfriend. But I got invited, and a lot of the local Indianapolis blogger girls and some of my friends in the community are gonna be there, so I'm going. It's super exciting. We got, you know, like their new line, there's special discount, there's prizes, like giveaways, there's food, drink, just fun times, girlfriend. There's a professional photographer like capturing the whole event. It's a great like networking situation, as well as some like great Instagram content. Am I right? Because you know, content, like content creator. I'm just an influencer. Just kidding. So that's tonight. So your girl needs to start getting ready for that like literally right now. But thought I would hop on here and we'd like take you throughout this weekend, and then tomorrow to the fashion show I will bring you along. Tomorrow night and there's like a VIP red carpet party thing before the fashion show, and then there's a legitimate fashion show. Like we're talking runway, we're talking models, we're talking like legitimate designers, all here in Indianapolis. So how fun is that? You don't have to live in the Big Apple to experience the fun stuff. Okay, hate myself. I need to take a shower first because we've got a fake tan situation happening that needs to come up. Let's go, girl. So this is super random, but Dr. Jart sent me this in the mail, and like when I opened it, I was like, cool, thanks guys, because like I didn't understand it. But dude, so these are the Tiger Grass Cameo drops, and they like neutralize your skin tone and like give you just like this glow, and it's super like lightweight and also hydrating, so it's like really good for underneath makeup, and it like cancels out any redness. And you know, like my chin is super red and bumpy and stuff, and like when I put this stuff on it, my makeup looks so much better over top, so highly recommend. Sorry you can't see me at all, but I'm driving. I'm on my way to the event, and yeah, like usual, time got the best of me and was running super late. Barely made it out the door alive, but I'm good to go. Hate my hair, but what's new? And yeah, we're almost there, girl.
out here.
Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Gang gang.
No, none of that.
Gingham 219.
Gingham.
No. Oh, I just want to say, oh, it's very close. I wasn't ready. Oh my god.
Okay, what?
It's a serious business. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So Claire is amazing.
Okay, we're done.
She slays. You turned it off for real?
No, I didn't.
No. So I met Claire last year at a photo shoot, and she did the best makeup of my life on my face. I have dreams about it to this day.
I still wear it. I haven't washed my face.
I took it off and put it in like a jar. I melted it down and I just apply it. I just put it back on for memories. It's like a Claire, it's a mask.
Yeah.
They should invent that. You should be the first person to
I thought of it. I really have.
Like a reapplicable
Slap
face.
it on, walk out the door. Let's go, Brenda.
Yeah,
right?
let's go. Claire Renee.
What?
I mean, that's all I have to say. Just Claire Renee, that's it. Yes.
You heard it here first, folks.
We heard block down this way.
This is actually about me. I'm in the mirror.
I'm the only one not wearing
peace, love,
yellow.
It's like, it kind of ties like a vintage yellow. I'm like brightest yellow, then we got like
muted.
Then we got like real.
Oh, Vogue.
Okay.
Good. You say hi? Say hi. Can you wave? Can you wave? Shake. Shake. Want to shake? That's a good boy. That's a sweet boy. This is called a camera. He's like really studying it. You're so beautiful. Is him a good boy? Is him a good boy? Is him a good boy? Hey guys, so it is Friday now. Day 2, I guess, of Fashion Week and this vlog. I don't know. So I just got ready. I didn't film any of that because you just watched it from yesterday and it's not that fun. And I'm always running late and running around like a crazy woman trying to get everything together. My room looks like this. It's amazing. And the mail just came with an outfit that I need to shoot, and we're shooting today, so it was like perfect, but I had to get it out of the packaging and I have to go steam it, and I'm leaving and it's just like blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to shoot with a lot of the girls I met yesterday at the shoot who I either didn't know beforehand or did know and just met up with them again. So I'm going to shoot with them today. And we're gonna go eat first. We're gonna go to Mexican, get some tacos, and then go shoot. Okay, is this thing like gonna work? I don't think I know how to do this. Hello! We're here, and it's a little loud. Sorry if you can't hear me. Girl, if you mess this up, if you mess this up,
all you need is love. Hi guys. I'm Jonesy. I'm an influencer, blogger, content creator.
She's always doing campaigns.
I'm always doing campaigns. It just getting too much.
fashion blog, and I'm also a local makeup artist. And yeah, girl, that's pretty much all I got.
I only drink water in the box. Hey there, I don't know if you can tell, this is my iPhone. Sorry, the quality maybe just changed, or maybe it was for the better. Probably was. It is, what day is it? Saturday. It's Saturday. We are on our way to a wedding. I gotta go do some makeup really fast, just squeeze it in, and then probably sleep. I'm so freaking tired. I got home at, I don't know what time it was, 12? I don't know. I didn't go to bed till like 1 and woke up at 7. Luckily, I only have to do 3 girls, so it's not a long day at all, and it's not downtown, praise Jesus. It's also not up north. Girl, when I have to go to like Carmel, I gotta leave my house at like 6 or 6:30. It's amazing. I can hardly like get my eyes to open. They just like want to naturally shut, and I have glitter like piercing my eyeballs because of the makeup I wore yesterday. It's like it has fallen into my eyes, and every time I open and shut them, it's like and like cutting them. Not sure if that's a good thing. Tonight we have the Liz League and Pup fashion show. People for Urban Progress is Pup, P-U-P. And it's like fair trade, slow fashion. So that's basically just the opposite of Forever 21. So Forever 21 makes clothes fast, which means they make them in bulk, and they make a lot of them at one time with a machine, and it's just like boom, 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 just gets them out, girl. Right when it sells out, they already have like another thing being made. Like, it's just so fast. So they like, obviously they pay the people who like work at the factories, at the manufacturers, like who they like, people that like man the stations, whatever. But like, they don't have like Aunt Jemima sitting down weaving the skirt that you bought for $11 at Forever 21, because in order to like pay Aunt Jemima, you'd have to be paying at least double, if not triple, maybe quadruple the amount you spent. Does that make sense? So slow fashion is handmade by artists. Holy sun, Batman. So what's cool about Liz League is not only is it slow fashion, but it's a fair trade company, which means they provide jobs to people in other countries who may have not had the opportunity to either get a job or to have gotten such a good job, or maybe was never going to be able to use their talents and their artistic abilities for anything else. Like, because they lived in a small village in Haiti, they were never going to be able to like make a name for themselves, use their talents and abilities to like help anyone. You know what I'm saying? Like, this mother in Haiti of 6 could have easily just kept making clothes for her family to wear, so they would have clothes to wear. But now, because she is an artist and she's able to do that, and because Liz League found her and her women that work with her, they're able to not only provide for their families clothing wise, but now they can provide for their families with money that they're making from the clothing that they make. Does that make any sense? I'm so sorry. So that's why Liz League is such a cool brand, and I actually have modeled for them. I think I only did it once. Like, they ask me to do it all the time, but I never can. But I modeled for them. I was in like their e-magazine. Like, they have like an online like flippable magazine. I was in that. I'm all over their Instagram, and I also did like a collaboration with them. And look at this lighting. Posted like one of their dresses on my blog and on my Instagram, and the photographer has also been to Haiti, and so like it's really cool, and I love like all of them, and the owner is so sweet, and it was so nice that they reached out to me about working with them, and I'm here for it. I'm like super supportive of it. But one day, if I'm ever made of money, that's how I will choose to buy clothing, because it makes way more sense.
Everybody love me. We're going to prom, guys. Everybody love me. Everybody there it is. You ain't messing with my
Just kidding. Hey girl, it is Saturday night. I just got back from the Liz Allig fashion show. Sorry, I'm like out of breath. Whew. It was super cool, and I don't know what I forgot to literally take video of anything. I'm so angry at myself. Like, I think what it is, I was genuinely like in love with every single piece because it's like actually stuff I would wear, and it has, sorry, I'm trying to take my shoes off, has amazing women behind it, and like it's helping so many people and providing for so many people, and it's like literally like it's amazing, and it's bigger than themselves, and that's like something I'm very passionate about, and it's not all about them, and like, you know what I'm saying? I'm into that. I love that kind of mantra, I guess. It's pretty neat. So like I was in awe of like the entire show, and like the models were so beautiful, and like everything was so modest and wearable, and like no one's boobs are flying out. Not a shirt. So girl, I forgot to tape. I'm so sorry. Maybe I've inserted some like iPhone story really fast. Like I didn't even take anything but boomerangs. I'm so sorry. But it was great. Ashley McMullen for the Dainty Days. If you don't follow her on Instagram, you need to right in a second. She's one of my very good friends. She was there. I brought my best friend from high school, Grace. Ashley brought her best friend, Taylor, and it was so fun. I literally loved having all of us together. So much laughs. Would recommend. Yeah, girl, I think I'm going to wrap up this fashion vlog. I'm so tired. I worked a wedding this morning. So many fashion shows. Like, who am I? I don't even go to fashion shows, but it's been fun. Can't wait till next year. I really enjoyed it. But I am so sleepy, and tomorrow is Sunday, and on Monday I get all 4 wisdom teeth out, so thank you, Jesus. Won't include those clips in the vlog. Okay, good night.